Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is John Incampo. I've been a graphic designer in New York City for the past 6 years, and I'm here to share with you some of my tips and tricks. So tip number 7 is that design is problem solving. Now, if you're a designer, a professional designer, or you've been a designer for a long time, you probably already know that. But as these tips are actually geared towards beginners, but actually everyone, I want to make sure that I state that kind of early on in this series. And I have to say this because I see a lot of designers on Instagram and all these other platforms that do a lot of designs that are just kind of, they're more art, they're just like aesthetically pleasing, but they don't really have any substance behind them. When really a great design, well, design in any sense, is made to solve a problem. So your client has something they need done. They need a certain message portrayed in their logo, in their advertising campaign, in any sort of graphic that you're creating, and your job is to make sure that that graphic conveys that message. You want it to look good, yes, but number one most important thing is that you convey that message. And when I always have thought of design as problem solving, which is why I think I was so attracted to it, as I always like to draw, but I also had a little more of a technical side to me in other aspects of my life, so it really came together pretty well. And I think a lot of designers are the same way. They are a little more, they're analytical, but they're also artistic, and that's really what design is. I see a lot of these IG accounts that post all these logos, and they're just very they're aesthetically pleasing, geometrical illustrations, but they have no meaning at all. They're like, here's a fox circle, and it's like, that's great, that looks amazing, but what does that mean? I could see that you use the grid because they love to show you the grid, but who cares? I guess as a piece of art, it is nice, it looks good, but it's not a true design, because a true design solves a problem. So that is tip number 7. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be coming back to you with more tips soon. Please leave any suggestions you have in the comments, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.